There are a number of finishing touches that you can add to your upholstery project. Indeed, if you're finishing to show wood edge, you have to hide your raw edge and tacks with a braid or a double piping. There are a number of ready-made off-the-shelf braids to purchase, maybe a matching cord as well. But we can make our own single and double piping in the same fabric or a coordinating one if we wish. Single piping throws up a raw edge and we have to hide that between two pieces of fabric. Our double piping is used instead of a braid. The thickness of the piping cord is quite an important choice and does depend on the thickness of your fabric and what you have to hide. So if you've got a big raw edge and big tacks to hide, you might want to go for quite a chunky fabric. We can make a skinny version if we want a more delicate finish. It all boils down to the thickness of your fabric and the thickness of your piping cord. Our piping, single or double, needs to be cut on the cross or what we call the bias of the fabric. The reason for this is that we need our piping to be able to bend round any shape of chair. If we did our piping on the straight, what we call the warp or the weft of the fabric, we wouldn't get that stretch. On the warp here I have no give at all, not on the weft either, but on the cross or the bias I've got some give that will help me get round tricky corners.